Welcome back. There's breaking news coming in now, and this is about the Collegium debate, which is back again. Law Minister Rijiju has said that the new system to appoint judges is the need in the Rajya Sabha. Manish Tiwari has slammed Rijiju. He says, and I'm quoting this here, has the Law Minister Kiren Rijiju ever cared to check what judges do during vacations and, for that matter, even on the weekends? He further says, and I quote, write judgments or play golf? Any lawyer with even a rudimentary legal practice knows the answer. Now, this is the latest debate. This is the latest flashpoint when it comes to the collegium system debate that we've actually been seeing in the news over the past month or longer. And what we're seeing here now is that Manish Tiwari is slamming Kiren Rijiju, the law minister. He's asking him, has the law minister ever cared to check what judges do during vacations? He's also saying, do they write judgments or play golf? Now, to get us more significance and context of this statement, I'm going to be crossing over to CNN News 18's Pallavi Ghosh. Pallavi, over to you.
So there has been a war of words that we've seen between the law minister and the judiciary, and also law minister and the other opposition leaders, especially those who are also lawyers. The latest context, of course, is Manish Tiwari objecting to this comment which was made by the law minister in the context of the fact that there's a huge pendency of cases. And among the many reasons he cited two, one, of course, is the fact that there are vacancies which cannot be filled up easily because of the collegium system. And the second, of course, is the fact that why is there so much of vacations, and that means a spillover of the cases, to which Manish Tiwari, of course, has retaliated. Look, the argument which Manish Tiwari and many like him are making is that it's during these holidays, which are not really holidays for the lawyers. They catch up on the cases. There are vacation benches also which kind of sit in all the courts. And therefore, to insinuate that the lawyers or the judges are not doing any work and they get lengthy holidays is absolutely incorrect.
And can you tell us more about what the legal fraternity is saying about the need for a new system?
But Manish Tiwari is a legal fraternity, and as I said a short while back, the lawyers, especially for MPs and the politicians, are, of course, very upset by the comments which come in from the law minister. But unlike many others from the legal fraternity, those who are not politicians are not able to speak up so much more. So, you have a Kapil Sibal, who's an advocate in the Supreme Court and also member of Parliament, Manish Tiwari, all of them very vocally hitting out at the government over the collegium system not being supported, of the clash between the executive and the judiciary.
All right, Pallavi, I would like you to stay with us. We're just going to listen in to what Rijiju had to say.
कई रिटायर्ड जजेस और उस कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बेंच के सदस्य ने भी सार्वजनिक रूप से कहा है कि उस समय का जो निर्णय हुआ और पार्लियामेंट का यूनानिमसली पास किया वाला एक्ट को खारिज करना ये सही नहीं था। ये उस पीठ में जो थे उन्होंने भी इस बात को कही है, और कई जजों ने, सिटिंग जजेस और रिटायर्ड जजेस ने भी कहा है कि जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बेंच ने इस देश के सोच के साथ आया वाला एक निर्णय को जो स्ट्राइक डाउन किया है वो सही नहीं किया है।
All right, so we just listened in to what the Law Minister Kiren Rijiju had to say. Now I'm crossing back over to CNN News 18's Pallavi Ghosh to get us more. Pallavi, can you essentially decode the collegium system and why it's been in the news for such a long time, especially when it comes to calling for a new system?
But the collegium system is something where you have the appointment of judges and advocates through a collegium, which of course is where the judiciary decides who are going to be the successors, who the new judges and advocates to be appointed at various state high courts are going to be. Has, kind of objected to it, and they had got out this bill, which of course was not accepted by the Supreme Court, that because of the pendency of cases, because of the large number of vacancies, the system needs to be changed. This was seen by many from the legal fraternity and also from the judiciary, of course, as an intrusion of the executive to put in place pliant judges. And therefore, that war of words we are seeing between the executive and the judiciary.
All right, Pallavi, thank you so much for joining us and for bringing us all of that information.